the ballpoint pen. My favorite pen to sketch with. This is a 20-minute sketch I did of a friend's duck. And I just put lines in it where I think they should go. I'm more of an intuitive artist than I am mechanical a lot of times. I feel that I do better if I don't think too much when I'm drawing. If I just put things where I think they should go, rather than worrying about how lines should go. And that's what I really enjoy about this ballpoint pen. So I can just scribble lines in where I think they should go, and I can build up my values and just layer the ink on top of each other to get the contrast and shading how I want it. And the drawing only took me about 20 minutes to do. I'm going to be doing more of these shorter drawings for everyone if you want to see those. If you have any suggestions about a drawing you want me to do, such as this, like an animal or a quick sketch, go ahead and let me know and I can work on that. But if you haven't already, go ahead and check out my other videos and tell me what you think. If there's any questions you have or anything else regarding my artwork or any of my content, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below or just email me. And I have plenty of links in my video descriptions to help you out. And until then, thank you for watching and have a good day.